Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, October 31st. This is David and let's take a look at Amazon here this evening. Now, this is a stock that has been observing its voodoo lines quite well, right? And one of the things that we look for when we say something is observing its levels well is that larger degree swings come from larger degree lines. And of course, one of the most significant swings comes from Amazon's all-time high, which is right up here at the second most important of the voodoo line levels, the voodoo tree line up here. Now, since it is broken below and through the 155.56 fire line, and here on its earnings came down, tried to break below, but is having trouble staying below this 101.56 fire line. That's the same level that that kept this name aloft in May and June, leading to a bounce, but we're right back there again. So this is going to be an important over-under. If Amazon is going to be able to save itself from further declines, then whether it's going to be here at today's recovery of the fire line and testing from above and holding, or whether it's going to be on a subsequent day after chopping around here a little bit, it needs to hold support here and then start building support at higher level or smaller degree lines to continue up. Otherwise, then we'll still look for more selling in Amazon if it can't recover the fire line. And that, on a breakthrough, the next logical place to look from a voodoo roadmap perspective would be this 88.82 voodoo tree line. Of course, we need to see it get through the snow lines that are between here and there, but there are other reasons to keep an eye on that level. If we simply look at the move up from this May low into the August high and look at the external retracement down from that level, the first stop that we would typically look to is the 127.2% external retracement of this move up. And notice that that measures to just about the same spot. So 88.94, visually we can't see it's different, but it is about 12 cents above. So look, if this can find resistance below 101.56, I'm going to look towards 88.94, but this 101.56 is the level to watch because support there being the most important of the voodoo line levels. The fire line holding there would be a place that Amazon might try to make a stand, just like it did a few months ago. So that's what I have. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.